Okay, here we are in lesson number 8, the great outdoors. We have camp. We have dirt. Road, our hands, road. And we have a path. P hands for a path. Now we have a stream. Do you see the difference? Stream and ocean. O hands, ocean, and lake. We have a forest or a jungle. We have town, or we have, and next we have a door. My palm is coming in towards my body. Door. We have country. And last two are so. So is what's happening. So down here, I'll move this. So. You'll see, flick those fingers, flick them. So. Okay, and last is as. How easy, A to S, but don't move it to the S, slide it to the S. As. Okay, here is your silent sentence. Okay, what is there? Tell me in comments and give this video a like if you found it helpful. Okay, next is a big review. See you there. Bye.